In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a rare egg in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is you want to walk up to this pet's egg shop. So it's at the opposite side of the sell and the seed shop and just next to the gear shop where there used to be the quest giver. Now, one of these 3 eggs, or more of them perhaps, have a chance to actually become a rare egg. But of course, you're gonna have to get a bit lucky because it's not 100%. As you can see, these eggs over here are all common, so it's all common eggs. I can't really show you basically how to get, how it looks like, but I'm assuming it's gonna be like a blue color. So if you then click on it, if you have the rare egg, it's gonna show you which pets you can then get, and you can simply buy it. So if I talk to the shopkeeper over here, and then I'm gonna click on show me pet eggs, you can then see there's the rare egg, and it appears in 21% of shops, which means essentially you have a 21% chance for the egg to spawn over here. And as I said, it's blue, so you'll be able to see it from miles away. Now, once you actually get it, you can then buy it and have it for yourself. So yeah, I don't know how much it costs. Let us know in the comments down below in case you do know. But of course, you can also refresh the shop over here for 90 Robux, and this will happen much quicker because the egg shop also just refreshes every 30 minutes, so you'll have to just wait this period out. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.